Types of catalyst and catalytic reactions. Types of catalyst. Classification based on its physical state. A catalyst can be gas, liquid, solid. Classification based on the substance from which a catalyst is made. Inorganic gases, metals, metal oxides, inorganic acids, bases. Organic acids, enzymes. Classification based on the base catalyst work. Homogeneous. Both catalyst and all other reactants products are in the same phase. Heterogeneous reaction system involves multi-phase catalyst plus reactant product. Classification based on the catalyst action. Acid-base catalyst, enzymatic, photocatalysis, electrocatalysis. Application of catalysis. Industrial applications. Almost all chemical industries have one or more steps employing catalysis. Petroleum, energy sector, fertilizer, pharmaceutical, fine chemical. Advantages of catalytic processes. Achieving better process economic and productivity, increase reaction rates fast, simplify the reaction steps, low investment cost, carry over reaction under mild condition, low temperature pressure, low energy consumption, reducing waste, improving selectivity toward desired product, less raw material required, less unwanted waste, replacing harmful toxic material with rapid available ones, producing certain products that may not be possible without catalyst, having better control of process, safety, flexible etc. Encouraging application and advancement of new technologies and materials and many more. Application of catalysis. Environmental application. Pollution controls in combination with industrial processes. Pre-treatment. Reduce the amount waste, change the composition of emissions. Post-treatment. Once formed, reduce and convert emissions using alternative materials. Catalyst development. Pollution reduction. Gas, converting harmful gases to non-harmful ones. Liquid depollution, decolor, solid, landfill, factory waste, and many more. Other applications. Catalysis and catalyst play one of the key roles in new technology development. Research in catalysis. Research in catalysis involves a multidisciplinary approach. Reaction kinetics and mechanism, reaction path, intermediate formation and action, interpretation of result obtained under various conditions, generalizing reaction types and schemes, predict catalyst performance. Catalyst development, material synthesis, structural properties, catalyst stability, compatibility, analysis techniques, detection, limits in terms of dimension of time and size and under extreme conditions, temperature and pressure, and accuracy of measurement, macroscopic techniques, sample preparation techniques, reaction modeling, elementary reactions and rates, quantum mechanics, chemistry, physical chemistry, reactor modeling, mathematical interaction and representation, the numerical method, microkinetic structure and efficiency of heat and mass transfer in relation to reactor design. Catalytic process, heat and mass transfer energy balance and efficiency of